lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. They're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today's video is really exciting because we're doing an unboxing again, and we're unboxing the Tasty Hamper from Revolution. This did cost £55. Superdrugs at one stage did £10 off and you could get it for £45, but I wanted more money off than that and I didn't have enough points. Then it went on sale on Look Fantastic for £35. Sadly for me, no code worked to get it down any lower, but 35 was fine for me. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy. I'm so excited because this is one of the ones that I originally wanted when I first saw them all in Superdrugs and just couldn't get my hands on it, so just gotta pull the sleeve off. I have been waiting for like good deals on all of these, and then you just have a lovely little box like this. And I did open it earlier because it seemed really badly packed, just to make sure everything was intact. And this box is so hard to open, so it does open up like a hamper, and then you have all the tissue paper in the world that you would ever need, and then more tissue paper. Ow! Then your box looks like this, which I think is really cute. I'm actually going to keep the box and give it to my little sister after for Christmas and put all her little gifts in there. And a few of these things I'm probably going to give to her. So the first thing we have is a bath milk. This is in almond flavour. I am going to open it because I know I'm giving it to her. Oh, it does smell really nice. It's a very milky formula. I have put a little bit on my hand there. That looks so wrong. That is the first item. The second item we have is a sponge. Now, I loved the fridge sponge from last year. I think it was green. I still have it in my little pot of beauty blenders underneath, and I absolutely love it. So I cannot wait to see how this performs. I hope it performs well. These are not as soft as some of the other sponges they have, like the Friends and even the Relove sponge. It's not as soft as that, but I have high hopes. Not that the Harley Quinn ones work that well, but anywho, moving on. We then have a little Ginger Man bath fizzer. Again, I'm gonna give this to my little sister. I do enjoy bath bombs, but I just don't get through them that quickly enough, so it just smells normal, like soapy kind of smell, but I'm sure she'll love it. She loves bath bombs. Then you get a cranberry Revolution, of course it's Revolution spray. This is a makeup fixing spray that actually has plastic on it. Oh, that is a strong cranberry smell, and it's a mini, so it's only 50 mils, which I like because some of them can be quite big and you just never get through them. So 50 mils, you can't go wrong, can ya? Then we get into some of the more exciting products. This is the Tasty Cranberry Jelly face palette. Now, again, I hate that I have to keep saying these, but face palettes in these little gift sets are not universal. So you've got like a gold highlight and then like a lavender looking one. They are really soft. The gold one I think I might be able to get away with, but the lavender, that is not my kind of cup of tea. But the packaging is really cute on this. Then we have a Revolution cranberry, is this a gloss? Lip gloss. Now last year we had the cherry in like the cherry bauble, and I absolutely love that. I still use it now, but this year, and it smells like cranberries, we get the cranberry one, which looks a little bit darker than the cherry one. And I can't wait to rock this in the autumn winter time. That is a lovely shade. We have the pumpkin pie tasty palette. This is why I wanted this, because I love, did you guys just see that? It stuck to me. I love the tasty range, and that is very cute right there. Pumpkin pie, I don't know if I've had pumpkin pie before, but look at that. That screams wintry colours. I wouldn't say it's autumn, because when I think of autumn I think of burgundies, reds, wine shades. Don't feel like it does. I feel like it screams winter. Want to put on the deep shades, but there is some nice shimmers in there. There's a couple of golds which I like. You've got like a khaki gold, a bronzy, another like lighter bronzier colour, then no lighter gold. So you've got nice shades. You've got a purple, you've got a brown. So it's a good little palette. The Tasty formula is incredible. I'm actually wearing the Tasty pumpkin spice palette as well as the latte palette on my eyes today, and that review is probably up already, so I'm so excited to use this. The last lip product we have is a gingerbread lipstick, and I was so excited to see this because it is like a cool tone berry lipstick. It is absolutely cute, and I love lipsticks. They are my favorite thing. You've got gingerbreads all around, some hearts, so some cookies. It looks so cute, and that color, it feels quite a matte formula of a lipstick, but that color is me. And then lastly we have the gingerbread palette. I love the look of this because it's a Tasty palette. We all know it's going to work extremely well. It's just so cute. You've got this little blue colour called Sticky Dough, Bakes, Sugar Cookie, Extra Ginger, Spiced. It's just a really cute little palette. So you get 8 items for £55. I do think that is a little bit steep. I'm quite like a bargain hunter, and £55 was just a little bit too much for me, especially that I knew I was giving 9 products, that I was giving some of this away to my little sister. But it is a cute box. I think I'm most excited for the lipstick and the palettes and the sponge, to be honest. I love their little sponges. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think it's value for money? Do you like the products that are in there? Do you feel like there's a lot of products you wouldn't use? Because I feel the same. I feel like there is a few products I won't use, but you can always give those away. Like if you buy this for yourself, you can give some products away. If you buy this for a family member, wait till Black Friday, it will go on offer. But this was my favorite. This was my favorite gift set out of all of them. But yeah, I do hope you did enjoy this video, and smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.